Catherine Bernardo update for Uratex.
Never ka nawala whenever I needed you. When I was starting out, whenever I celebrate my wins, you always had my back. Lahat ng pangarap ko became a reality. Because you gave me the rest I needed to dream big. Now that I've embraced my independent self, I trust that you'll still stay by my side.
Uratex is recognized as the most trusted mattress brand by Filipinos.
Endorse ni Catherine
Trusted
Uratex.
through the years.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, I always get my best sleep with Uratex.
And then Uratex. Huwag matulog dyan. So ito pa, bagong endorse ni Catherine for Pure Foods. Yan and soon. So ito, behind the scene ni Catherine for Consays. Multivitamins plus minerals, ang sabi sa post. When Miss Catherine Bernardo step in, the vibes goes up from the lens to the light. Every frame is magic, and when she is front of the camera, Saka di story ni Aris, na-miss niya si Catherine, sabi ito, I might come back my besties. Saka during vacation dyan sa Thailand, kasama si John Bowie, nagpapaganda pa nga si Catherine, Tapos biglang may tumingin pa nga sa camera ni Catherine. Napawakin na si Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.